Bottle truth. Yeah.
Solution.
Soga.
Drop the cap, yeah, the juice is gold.
It's gold.
Walking through the fog, yeah, the scent is cold. They talk.
YouTube, welcome back to another video. I'm Solution, your host for the next how many minutes we're going to get through this. Back with another one of these things. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and tap that notification button. Share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend so you can come back again. We can get it in with these frags. But without further ado, shout out to Crown Skin. We have yet another offering, and that brand has been doing wonders for the channel. Thank you to everyone. You keep commenting on the video, you keep sharing the video, you keep liking the video. I believe it's approaching 5 digits, okay? 5 digits in the reviews, and that's just a testament to everyone who likes to comment, the content on the channel. So we do appreciate you over here at the Solution for Frags. But let's get into it. So today we have an unboxing. You know, we don't do a lot of these on the channel. I think this might be the third one because I'm a bit impatient when I get stuff in and I want to see what's going on. So the good people at Crown Skin Butter has taken my money yet again, and I don't feel bad about it. All right. So we're going to continue to unbox this. And oh, wow. Okay. Shout out to Crown Skin. The pictures did not do these justice, everyone. I'm looking. All right, so now we got this open, and wow. I had no clue that these were going to look like this, because when I placed the order, I just saw a picture, and yeah, there's a lot going on in here. So let me see if I can show the camera. Look at the size of those containers. So today we are reviewing Crown Skin body wash. Now, you know, I always tell you all, more is less sometimes, okay? I'm gonna have to bring out the table, display table again. More is less. So in the case of Crown Skin, and by the size of these massive tubes of body wash, that might be a good number. But why didn't they do 5? Sorry, y'all. Why didn't they do 5? I don't know. Okay. But I bought all 4 that I was able to buy. So over here we have Reign, we have Empire, and we have King. We have Monarch. And I didn't do this for the other ones. So we have Empire. And to close it out, we have Reign. Now, we know about the scent profiles on Reign to back it up again. Fresh and nautical. Okay, for your marine notes. On Empire, you have smoky citrus musk for those bergamot style fragrances out there that you might have. Then you have warm and sensual for your woody, spicy types. And you have Monarch for spicy and bold. We can almost do that as well. All right. So they only offered 4, unless I did something wrong. Now, you all know that I'm a big supporter of this brand. Obviously, I haven't used them yet, but these are massive tubes, 12 fluid ounces of body wash. Now, obviously what you can do is you take your shower. All right. These are kind of in the way right now, blocking me. But obviously you take your shower and you apply your Crown Skin body butter. And it's going to project and last a little longer because you're using the same products. But we are not done. Yeah! I also picked up another offering from Crown Skin Butter. So, obviously we have the body wash, we have the butters from the video. Make sure y'all continue to clock in on that one. tap in, let me know how you just how you found Crown Skin Butter as well. Get in there on that video. But we have the body oils as well. Now, they did have the full run of the 5 body oils that they're offering. Of course, we got to run through them again. You got Monarch right here. You have Empire. You have King. You have Prince. And you have Reign. Okay. Now, on the body washes, they didn't have Prince, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check myself before I wreck myself. All right. Yes. I did not see the Prince offering for the body wash. Not saying they don't offer it, they don't have it, but I wasn't able to order it. I didn't see it pop up on there. Now, if that's what they're going for, I don't know. All right. And yes, I have worn these. I got oil stains on top of the little shelf right here, and they do perform well. I would like to say, for those of you who want to make a decision, hey, the solution. Should I just get the body oils, or should I just get the butters? To each his own. To each his own. These perform extremely well also. You could also go with these standalone, or also blend them, layer them with your other scents that match up with these properly. And I just told you how to do that. You find those fragrances that lean towards that. I'm not going to tell you which ones to wear, but you say, hey, I got a marine note, I'll go with that, because there's another video that's coming for that, and we're going to close out the Crown Skin until something else pops up. They do have fragrances, but for me, that would be redundant because of the body butters and things like that. I don't really see a need for me to grab those at this moment. Not saying I won't, but saying at this current moment, I don't see a need for me to grab those. And these are done really, really well. And you can look and see on here, there have been 2 I've worn a little more than others, and that is the Reign and the Monarch. Now, why? It just depends on the fragrance I was going to wear with it. That's all. Now, have I worn the butters and the body oils together? Yes, and they last quite a long time if that's what you're going for. So, in this order, you're in the washer, right? You're in the washer. Then you come back with the body oils, all right? Or you can come back with the Crown Skin Butter to moisturize yourself. We can go with all 3. If you got the fragrances, throw that on there too, all right? If you so choose to go that route. Redundancy, preference. That's all. Some people might say, I'm good with the oils. I don't need the butters. I don't prefer the consistency of the butters. I'm good with the oils. Some people might say, I don't want to go with the oils. I want to go with the butters. I like the consistency of the butters. The butters work better for me. To each his own, but you will not be disappointed from what they're offering here. Very, very affordable. They're still doing the bundles and all that good stuff. So go check them out at the good folks at Crown. Hey, y'all need to holler at me, man, for real. Crown Skin, holler at the solution for the solution for frags. All right, let's get busy. Let's do some work. I love your products, and I like what you're doing out there. And like we always do about this time, yeah, we can't go the route. So what we're gonna do is put a little, and guess what, y'all? You can put it on your beard, right? And it smells incredible. So, and we out.